Hello, hey Catherine.
Hi.
This is the third day. This is the last day. But thanks for watching, everyone. 2 hours of UX design with Catherine. She will work in Adobe XD.
Yes.
We started on Tuesday concepting an application to record your voice. And we asked you, actually, people in the chat, what would be a cool name? And we found the name Vox, V-O-X. We also asked you for a logo. Yes. We might ask for a new one today. Huh?
Yes, today we refresh our logo.
We refreshed the logo because in the meantime, you voted yesterday for the color theme. You had the choice with something very vibrant, very playful, or something more organic, neutral in the green nuances, and you opted for the green. So yeah, thanks for watching. I see that, Shashank is back, Tyrone, see Janet, Nicole, and Yoris. Yeah, this is awesome. Catherine, yeah, if you want to explain what you did so far and what's the plan for today.
Okay, so so far, do we need to switch to my screen?
They can see your screen.
Oh, cool. So for last 2 days, what we did is to create some basic screens about the basic flow of this app, which are our splash screen and sign-in, sign-on page. We need a logo here, and also I think a background picture with some color overlay on it would be good.
Okay.
Also, here comes our voice discover. Like if I'm open this app and go with a list of album, so I can scroll it to discover others. And when I click on this, it will go to this page with the album details. So this is the soundtracks in this album, with some information on here, like how many people like it, how many people comment on it, shared, and the time of place. Also, we swipe the page, we can see some descriptions. Also, we can see people's reviews. Also, if we click on the play button, we can play the soundtrack. Here on this screen is what I made last night. I did some homework. Also we start recording. So on this page we can add the name of the soundtrack, also add other, and add an album name. Also, if we pause our recording, we can add some background music and see some scripts in case we forgot something, like the lyrics or the sentences. Also, we can save our screen. We can save the soundtrack after finish recording. You can add some descriptions here, and you can add the album cover. So here would be the confirm page that you can save it, or you just don't satisfy with it, you want to record again and don't save. It's okay. And this would go back to your profile page, and we're going to work on this page today.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for sharing. So maybe we can show the splash screen again, I mean the welcome screen.
Again.
So we need a logo for Vox. If you want to work on the logo and using Illustrator, or maybe export a PNG with a transparent background, you can use Photoshop too, but we need the logo for Vox, V-O-X. And you can use Creative Cloud to share it in the cloud, or Dropbox. Just find a way to share a link with us and paste the link in the chat, and then we'll make sure to catch the link. Okay, it's a way for you, because the favorite logo to win the Adobe socks. Okay, so the XD socks for winter. Please share a logo. We are really excited to see what you can create based on this. Okay. We will also give away socks at some point to someone active in the chat. So make sure to sign in. Make sure to ask questions to Catherine and be active in the chat. And what else? Yeah, there was a contest also, and you only have 1 hour and a half to submit your entry. The theme of the day, Catherine, is smartwatch. Smartwatch. So they can go in the contest tab. The contest tab is next to the chat tab, okay, on behance.net/live, and you can download this template and follow all the instructions to share your prototype with us. So I've just added some screens, but feel free to really design your own experience. It's just to help you if you don't know where to start. And it's obviously here inspired by the Apple Watch, but you can design any smartwatch experience. And at the end of the show, we will review your entries and we will ask Catherine, okay, which one do you prefer? Yes. And you can get a chance to win a Creative Cloud subscription. So this is awesome.
Cool.
To submit the logo, Ben, just create a logo and just paste the link in the chat, okay? Find a way to share it with us, and I will monitor the chat.
Cool.
Okay.
So I have a question actually about the smartwatch.
Yes.
Is it for iPhone, iWatch, or
any smartwatch?
Okay.
So it could have a rounded shape,
Oh,
a
cool.
square shape. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Cool.
It's just that in terms of the user experience, it will be here. Okay.
Cool.
And connected.
Mm-hmm. Can I upload the logo in?
Yeah, you can use the AMG okay. Of course, if you want to. Just find a way to paste a link. Just okay, be in my shoes. I will click on the link and open the logo and share it with Catherine. Okay.
Where to submit the logo? Okay.
Yeah, in the chat. Just
in the chat. Okay.
Yeah, just paste the link in the chat. Okay.
Okay. Cool.
We try to make it easy. And we give you 15 minutes to create and share the logo. It's okay with you? It's 3:07. Yeah, let's say until 3:20, 25. Okay, at 25 we will stop reviewing the logos. Okay, but it's also just
how
a
about
way.
30? 3:30.
No, 25.
25.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. We need to be tough with designers.
Yeah.
So Catherine, who is a designer, she's based in the Bay Area. You live next to San Francisco and work in Mountain View. And these days you were telling us that you are working as a web designer for Apple.
For Apple, contracting with Brown Limited.
Yeah.
But we're working with Apple Maps team.
The maps. Yeah.
Yes. I'm going to list some points for today in case because this is the last day, we need to finish it. So here are some wrap-up stuffs. First of all, last night I think maybe we can add the Face ID sign-in to iPhone 10.
Okay.
Because some people
yes, you're right.
This is really convenient. And we can add some background image on splash screen. I just said it like minutes before. And notifications bubble on avatar, which is on our Discover screen. I add this avatar on the right up corner. Also, we can add some like bubble badge here to see how if I had a comment or I have new favorites or recommendation or something.
I see. Yeah, any type of new notification activity with your profile.
Okay, cool. And also, we can add a profile page to get all the soundtrack rested in one list. Also, the soundtrack playing page, actually, we have done it, so I changed the color. Okay, to green. Text tab on album detail page. This is for here, because when we are sliding it, people really don't know what's going next. And if we can use the little text tab, and we can actually tap on it to switch what details of this album we wanna watch, that would be good. That would be
with the text file.
With the text, like.
With the text.
With the text, and a little bit indicator showing we're on the list or on the description or on the review.
Yes.
Yeah. Also, link screens and fix.
Okay.
That's our prototyping
That's the plan.
stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to create the Face ID for now and show my illustration skill.
So Face ID is this new experience, right, with by Apple that recognize your face to sign in.
Yes. Okay. This is what I'll do first. I'll find the Face ID image on the website. I think this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
I'll take a screenshot.
You want to do it in XD?
Yes.
Ah, cool.
I want to draw it. Just test XD, see how it works.
Okay, that's fun.
Yeah, Vox is the name. VOX.
Oh yeah, and someone says, I think it's Matthew says that Vox make good amplifiers. Yeah, I remember that, like Marshall. Yeah, for electric guitars. Yeah.
You are right.
That's true. They have a kind of vintage logo. So in this case, you need something more
digital, vibrant.
Yeah, vibrant.
Digital and. Okay, this is gonna be my template. I'll draw exactly the same one. Who knows? Let's see.
Jeanette says Face HD is fine and good until your evil twin gets involved. Ah, yeah. For twin brothers, not good.
Okay. I just OCD myself.
Ah, OCD is back?
Yes.
The OCD is back, okay.
Always here. Okay, I noticed that the eye stroke line is thicker than the nose, as well as the mouth.
Good catch.
So I'm gonna maybe I can draw a rectangle for the eye. Oh,
yeah, and the mouth with the rounded corners. I don't know if this will be possible with XD.
Yeah, I think
maybe not. Maybe you will have to use the pen. We'll see.
Okay.
Here we go. What's happening? Oh, that's the stroke. What? Maybe you don't need a stroke if it's a rectangle. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's. Okay, it becomes. Cool. How about this? Okay. I'll just go with this. I try to make the proportion right, so it's really pen tool.
The pen tool?
Yeah. You have any idea?
Yeah, I wonder if we can combine two rectangles for the nose.
But there is a rounded corner at the top of the nose.
Okay.
Yeah.
And maybe use the pen just for the... See what I mean?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I get what you said.
Thanks. Okay. Okay, let me try.
Oh, hey, I have a question.
Okay.
I have an idea. Like if I... What can I... Okay. Can I draw a circle and cut the other part of the circle, only save this part?
Okay. Yeah, let's quickly start.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. So here on my screen, so I was suggesting maybe we can do 1 and 2. Okay, how is the noise again?
Here.
It's like very well. You know, like 1 and 2, but then you have another one. So here we change the color because you have.
You know, you mean
yeah. Yeah, like I need to feel this. You see what I mean?
Oh, I see. Well, you can combine shapes.
Yeah, maybe we can combine.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll try.
It won't be easy.
I'll try on mine too.
So try something crazy first.
So we see how we can approach this.
Okay, so I will merge these 3. Then I take this and subtract. Yeah, it's not very clean, but that's the idea. But what's good is that it's non-descriptive, so I can come back here and align it better.
This is a very big nose.
Yeah.
How about you change on this one's size?
Yeah, but then I don't have the tangent. Yeah. If you look from far, yeah, it's a very big nose. I agree. Ah, look, it's a clock.
Oh, cool.
You see?
Yeah.
It's 9 a.m.
It's like a very sharp nose.
Yeah.
I'll try. I'm trying with. Can I delete this and this? Oh no. Okay, that's fine. Because I can always do it in Photoshop.
And this smiley face, so it comes from Apple, right?
Yes.
It has been designed by Apple. Someone was asking about the proportions, what works, what doesn't. In this case,
I don't know.
we just trust Apple.
Okay.
Hi, QBlue EA. Thanks for coming back.
Hi. Okay, I'll fix this. This is really.
Yeah, it could be.
This
new
can
version.
be. Yeah, actually. Okay. Oh, I really suggest that we can add some feature on XD that
For drawing, yeah.
that we can make this end rounded.
Yeah, yeah, I see what you mean.
Easy.
Yeah, because that's a stroke, right?
Yeah.
To have a rounded stroke.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
Especially when I saw your style,
Yeah.
like the project you did. Okay, let me open it again. Behance, Catherine. Yeah, here we go. Like, so Catherine, she shared with us yesterday that she worked on this project called Daily Icon, where every day she would design icons
Yes.
in Photoshop or Illustrator, and yeah. And this is what you would need, right? So I guess this is a stroke here, but with a...
Absolutely.
yeah, so in XD, you don't have the ability to change the shape of the stroke.
But I mean, it all depends on what you do.
Yeah, so...
If you're an icon designer, then you might need some accurate tools.
Yeah, so maybe if you design icons, it's better to do it in Illustrator.
Yeah.
If you want this style, you know, with the
Right.
rounded borders.
Right. Okay. I'll take what you said. Connect with pen tool. No. Okay.
Yeah, because if we switch to Illustrator, so by default, you will get something like this if you do a stroke, and mine is not very precise. Yeah, it needs some tweaks here, like the angle is not perfect. Yeah, so it's a bit better. And then when you, so in the new Illustrator CC 2018 that we released, there's a properties panel which is contextual. See, so if I don't select anything, it's this, but if I select a stroke, then I have the properties for the strokes, and I can say, I want,
yeah, that's what I'm talking about, yeah. Cool.
And then I can do this, and let's see if I paste this in XD, what's happening. Okay, okay, so it's my bad, because the fill is not transparent. But now if I paste this in XD, okay, it's the shape. So I think it's the, it's easier.
Yes.
But I mean, yeah, you're almost there.
Yeah, I'm trying. Trying very hard. I mean, Illustrator Illustrator is kind of the introduction tool for my career, because at the first
you started with Illustrator?
It's like, yeah, there is a course called Information Visualization, and our instructor asked us to use Illustrator to deal with the charts, because it needs really precise aspects. So we are all using that for our projects.
Yeah, and you can work in Pixel Perfect also with Illustrator. So I know that, a lot of web designers actually are very good with Illustrator.
Oh.
Okay, so forgive me if I missed some entries, but I've already noticed 2 logo entries. Just checking the chat again to make sure I didn't forget one. Sorry if I did. But I already have 2. Okay, so I have this first one.
Oh.
Vox with something inspired also by one of the screen. And this one also, which is more abstract.
Oh, cool. But this is like, since our background would be greenish, so this logo...
Could be too much?
No, might be invisible on the
green background. Yes, we need to remember that it will be on a green background.
If I can turn it to black, I can use it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I said until 25, huh? It's 22. Okay, so we still have like 3 minutes to see if there is a changer for the logo of Vox. Or 4 minutes.
Okay. I'm trying.
You're trying, yeah. Thanks for trying. What do you want to do now?
I want to do
the rounded shape, yes. Wow.
Thanks for recognizing that. Okay.
Okay.
And this.
Oh my god.
Okay. This is what I want. Okay.
Maybe
cool.
It's a broken nose.
No, I don't
After a fight, maybe.
You naughty boy. Why I can't select? I mean, when...
Oh, Jack, you already changed your logo? Oh yeah, with a gray. Okay.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Thanks. It will save time. If we select your logo, it will save a lot of time.
Yeah. Just make sure it's precise. And this nose can be better. I'm trying. Don't judge me. Eh? Where's my shift key? That's fine. I'm done with this. Okay.
Yeah, here we go. 45 degrees.
And I change it to align with... Oh, no, it's a little bit thin. There.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's it.
Thanks, Mark, for sharing. I got your entry. Still have 1 big minute. Oh, James, I see your edit, and unfortunately, James, I think you will... you need to find another way to share it, James. Because you shared a link to edit something. Try in incognito mode, and you will see that we cannot access this. This is not a public link. Yeah, it looks good, Catherine.
It's good, right?
Good job. Huh? Yeah, I mean, good job with the just with the XD tool. Oh my god, the mouth.
Oh, the mouse. The mouse is actually fine. I can use pen tool.
Yeah.
Oh no, I can't use pen tool.
No, you can't. Catherine. No.
Here's what I'm going to do.
Let's think. let's have a plan for the mouth.
I'm going to launch my Photoshop.
No, my God. You gave up.
No, I don't give up. I have an idea.
Okay, don't give up. Okay, I have an idea.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to see my idea? Okay, I'll show you my idea.
I think we probably think the same.
You think so? Okay, so we do something like this. Chuk, chuk, and we don't feel. So that's the base of the mouth. Okay.
Okay.
After we want to cut. Oh my God. Okay.
Let's compete. Okay.
What?
Compete.
You're too fast.
Yeah. I know.
After, if I rotate this, then I make sure I have a perfect symmetry. And I want to keep the intersect. No.
You can draw 2 circles and cut one into another. And and join it with a rectangle.
Yeah, I wanted to keep the intersect, but then it's too much. Because it's a stroke. Yes, 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 yes.
Seems too smiley.
Oh my God.
Okay. Okay.
What's
Are you angry?
I have a new face ID.
It's like your the color. And
okay,
and
let's switch back to your
clothes.
screen. It's a disaster.
No, that's fine. I like it. Really. You know what I'm gonna do next?
Okay, so who shared something? The Creatio, you shared something. Let me check if I can see it. Yes, thank you. Looks great. And Ben, you shared something too. Yeah, thanks for the... Oh no, Ben! Oh man! The link is disabled. The person who shared it hit their daily limit or traffic or downloads. Oh no, Ben, find another way to share it. Ben Archie. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, Ben. You reached your limit. I don't know what you did with Dropbox today, but you went too far. Yeah, you can use the MG Your. I mean, there are a lot of ads on it. I'm not a big fan, but it works. Okay, Ben. You tried something else. What did you do, Ben? Oh, Google Drive. Logo. I don't see it, so maybe it's still syncing, Ben. Okay. Oh my God, what did you do? So weird. Okay, in the meantime, Ben, I will check Nicole. Nicole, I think, worked. I think so, it's still syncing.
Okay, I'm done with it.
Wow, good job.
This is my mouse.
Wow, good job.
How about it?
Just with the XD tools.
This is good, right?
Knowing, Paul, that there is no rounded corner for the strokes. So she just used the Pathfinder and the pen tool.
Yay.
That's pretty clever.
That's very clean. I tried to, Paul, and this is what I got.
Let's see this.
Yeah. Close enough.
You nailed it.
Yeah.
I would say the nose is a little bit... Okay, I'll fix it in just a minute.
Ben, I'm so sorry. Yeah, we are having a hard time communicating with Ben. Yeah, I don't see anything, Ben.
That's it. I'm done. Okay.
No, it looks great. It looks great. Good job.
That's it. Okay. Yeah. Great. Yeah.
Okay, gems too. Oh my god, you all worked on logos. It's awesome. It would be hard to choose, Catherine. Don't look at my screen. I'm just preparing everything for you.
Okay. Thank
I
you.
hope I didn't forget one of them.
And I'm gonna copy this face to other pages.
Sarah is like, 20 minutes later, we have an icon. Yeah. Design takes time, you see? Okay, Ben. Ben, we transfer. Okay, we will try all the cloud services with Ben. Ben who directly shared the Illustrator file. Okay, this time I got it, Ben. I got it.
Oh.
Woo! Okay, let me just double check the chat again. I hope I didn't forget anyone. I'm sorry if I did. Don't tell me that Juan Martin. Share the logo. Okay. Okay, Catherine. We check the logos, okay?
Okay.
Ready? Okay, so
Yeah.
you remember this one?
Yes.
Remember this one?
Mm-hmm.
We have the gray version now.
Oh, nice.
We have this one.
This is like hand draw.
Yeah,
style.
hand drawn and maybe using capture. Let us know, Mark, how do you did this one? We had this one.
Oh, this is cool.
Very clean.
Yeah.
And not designed using XD because you see the rounded. This one also Vox with
It's really vintage.
little. This one.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
okay.
The contrast
Imagine
is
it on
tough.
the green.
Yeah, imagine on the green.
Yeah.
This one.
Oh, this is clean and simple and neat.
Yes. And this one too.
This is cute.
And then Ben shared an Illustrator.
Oh. Whoa, it's
3 options.
You're efficient, Ben.
Ben is very efficient when it comes to creating logos,
Yeah.
but when it comes to sharing them,
Yeah.
he's the worst. It took us 5 times, 5 tries.
Okay. So I think I'll give the.
Maybe there is one more. Okay, if we can hide my
yeah,
screen,
yeah.
because Alejandro just woke up. Alejandro, I hope it's good, Alejandro. I'm being very nice. Okay, and this is Alejandro. Alejandro, you need to keep it simple.
This is kind of interesting. I don't quite understand it, actually.
But we see a V, a O, and an X, so that's the good news.
Yeah. Oh, V, O, and X. Okay, I see it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's like the no. Okay, yeah. No, nothing.
Yeah, it's very. Yeah. Alejandro, I don't know what to say.
It's what I'm gonna use in the Star Wars.
In Star Wars.
Yeah.
Oh, like a
The
saber
sword.
light. Oh yeah,
the
saber.
sword.
Laser saber. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So which one should we keep?
I think I'll give the award of efficiency for Ben.
Oh, for Ben?
Yeah.
Okay, but which one? The simple one?
That one in the middle.
That one?
Yeah.
And you want to keep the same colors?
No, maybe.
Maybe not.
Maybe
Okay.
not.
Okay, I will share with you the Illustrator file actually, okay?
Okay, cool.
So Ben, congratulations. You will receive the XD socks. And
But one.
we had a
or two?
hard time communicating, but it was worth it.
You're sharing the Illustrator file?
Yeah, so
Okay.
let's maybe use
AirDrop?
AirDrop again.
Okay.
Okay, you should have it.
Cool.
Awesome.
I hope my Illustrator is up to date.
Oh, it's fine. It doesn't. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's the updated one.
It should work. Seriously.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And you can copy paste.
Can I
Just copy paste.
change color here or change
Yeah,
color in
here.
XD?
No, here it's better.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm gonna change it to like. Let me think. I haven't been using XD for 3 years, almost 3 years, and I don't know how to change color in it. Okay, I got. Just this
A
color.
dark gray?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah. I'll do it again. Select this
Select
one and
three.
Oh, 3. Okay, that's why. Oh, cool. Nice. Thank you, Ben.
It was great, Ben.
Enlarge it. Oh, maybe a bit. Cool.
Nikhil, you need socks too? It's cold here? Okay, where do you live, Nikhil? Let us know.
Yeah. No, Ben, it's okay. It's cool. I like your gradients of the orange, actually.
And there is still an opportunity to win the Adobe socks. Just stay with us and be active in the chat. We'll randomly pick someone in about 20 minutes.
I'm gonna add some background image to the splash screen. Let's pick this. No.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
You want to try an image in the background?
Yes.
Okay, let's try
With
that.
some overlay on it. Yeah,
Ah,
maybe
with the
this.
voice. I see.
You see?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to edit it in Photoshop?
No, I think that's fine for now. Oh, can I? Yes, because this is kind of competing
okay.
with the text
Yeah,
competing
so
with
you can just right-click now on the Creative Cloud library and say license. Okay, and the first one. Yes.
Okay, cool.
So it's a new feature in XD 3.0 that has been released on Tuesday. So now if you go back to XD, it will automatically sync the picture in the cloud. You see it syncing in your library and replace it. Okay, you already have the representation.
Nice.
And maybe you can play with the opacity if you want to.
Yes.
With green.
Okay.
Using 1, 2, 3, 4, remember? On the keyboard.
Yes. Now I'm gonna no opacity for now. Maybe can we add some overlay directly on the image, or we need to create another layer of
you want
the
to create
overlay?
an overlay on top?
Yes.
Yeah, you have to create a new layer, like a
Okay.
rectangle, if you want to.
Okay, I'll do this.
Okay.
With this one.
Oh, I see. And now nice.
You see?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it works very good. Okay, Nikhil, you're from Kolkata in India. How cold is it? What do you mean by cold?
Which part of India?
Kolkata.
Oh.
Kolkata. Okay, I will check where this is.
It's now so
I think
south
it's
because
in French we say
I think-
Calcutta.
Oh, okay. Because north and south, I think there are differences.
Just checking.
Okay, go with this.
Kolkata. Oh yeah, it's really east of India. It's
okay.
next to almost next to Bangladesh.
Okay, cool.
See?
Learn something every day.
Yeah.
What's the difference between Fotolia and Adobe Stock?
Ah, it's a good question. Who has this question?
Armando.
Armando?
Yeah.
So actually the Adobe Stock is the result of the acquisition of Fotolia. So Fotolia is a French company created maybe 10 years ago, and they had this huge catalog of stock pictures, and they were like very big in France, very big in Germany, in a lot of European countries. And Adobe acquired Fotolia to create Adobe Stock and extend the catalog. So today it's not only pictures. You can license vector illustrations, videos, 4K videos, 3D models, 3D textures, 3D lights, templates. So Adobe Stock becomes this huge resource for creatives.
Nice.
So Armando, all the features that you have with Creative Cloud will be with Adobe Stock, okay, and not with Fotolia. Although you will recognize the pictures because we share the same catalog, of course, of pictures.
As for gradients, I would like to refresh our gradients for now because maybe there should be a nicer green. And for the gradients, I do recommend one website if you would like to add some nice gradient to your website. It's called webgradients.com. And
wow, it's a nice website.
Yeah, you can find all kinds of nice things. And
Yeah,
they
it's
all
very
have
inspiring.
names. It's Temping Azure. Amy Crisp.
It's
all
funny
good
to represent
names.
them with gradients like this. It looks like the Adobe Live video teaser, you know, the introduction,
Yeah.
where we have planets.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's so cool.
right. I'm going to looking for a greenish, maybe this one? How about this one?
Yeah.
See it?
Woo!
Wow.
It goes full screen.
Yeah, how about
It's a
this?
CSS. Oh my god.
And
That's
CSS
smart. And you can copy the CSS and the two references.
and this go with Sketch and the PSD file.
Wow.
Also, you
That's
can
very smart. Or
Also,
you
you
can just
can download just
the
PNG file.
and use a color picker.
So I think this is really handy for a designer
Yeah,
if
it's
you're
very
looking for
good.
colors. Yeah. Maybe more options. This one is too dark. Maybe.
Looks good.
Right. How about? I like this one. How about this?
It's nice, huh? Yeah, let's try with this one.
Okay.
I think it will work very well.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll just copy the color hex here.
So, was your gradient in the assets panel or no?
What's that?
The gradient you're using here, is it in the asset panel?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
I think I can.
Oh, you
change
can
this.
just right click and edit.
Yes.
Awesome.
That's why I copied it here. Oops.
Nice. Good job.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah, just have to type it. Oh, you became an Adobe XD Pro user in just a few
user.
days, huh?
Yeah. I mean, it's really intuitive.
Hi, Danili. Thanks for joining. We are live with Catherine Wang, and she's working on this prototype, which you started on Tuesday. It's an app to record your voice and also to listen to other voice messages. It could be songs, it could be someone reading a book, it could be a voice memo. And the name of the app is Vox, V-O-X. And we just got a
Vox.
logo created by someone watching, by Ben.
I have a question.
Yes.
Can I change the direction of how it goes? the gradient? It depends on the case, or?
No, I'm pretty sure you can. Select the artboard. Because in this case, it's more the feel.
Oh,
you know?
here.
See what I mean?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's try that.
Actually, you can hardly see the difference between because these gradients are really.
Yeah, it's so similar. Yeah, I mean, we can feel it. You see on the screen?
Oh yeah, it's different. It's actually
there's
shows
more
more blue on my. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm not sure it makes a
That's fine. I'll just
huge difference.
keep the original one. Okay. See, it's beautiful.
Nice.
I'm proud of myself. And Ben.
And Ben, yeah. Good job, Ben.
Good job.
We have Hector watching, who said, by the way, Catherine, I was inspired by what you said yesterday and subscribe to this daily UI challenge.
Oh, congrats.
Yeah, good, Hector. We will check what you're sharing.
Yeah, just keep doing. When you feel tired, when you feel you want to giving up, just keep. Just keep.
do it.
Just do it. But if you feel like do it every day is kind of too overwhelming, you can slow it down. Yeah, that's also fine.
So if you don't know what we're talking about a website where you can just register entering your email, and every day you will receive a theme, and it's just for you to practice and design a UI interaction or UI component based on the theme, and share it on Twitter or Dribble, I think, in this case.
Yes.
With a hashtag.
Yes.
But it's more for you. It's a good practice, and this is also something that let me show you on your.
You can also put it on Behance.
Yeah, you can share on Behance too. There are a lot of projects actually like this, and this is what you did here. So this was the daily UI challenge that you. With wow, this one is beautiful. What was the theme? Workout. Yeah. So she received an email. Yeah. Workout of the day, and this is what she designed.
Yeah.
Louboutin. That's the name of the restaurant. Louboutin.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, it's so nice.
Actually. I compared the last 10 days and the first 10 days.
Yeah. And you can feel the difference.
You see here the shadow is really dirty.
Very strong, yeah. And then at the end, after 100 days,
and at the end,
everything is soft.
So neat.
Everything is beautiful,
yeah.
Flying on the screen. And also, she challenged herself with the daily icon. So this is something that you just practice by yourself and for yourself. And I really love this series of icons.
I'm working on a Muji style icons for now.
Wow,
I haven't
awesome.
uploaded yet, but I will after I finish.
You know, this is something that you can also upload on Stock.
Oh yeah.
On Adobe Stock.
Oh yeah.
And monetize it, you know, so people can license your icons. Yeah.
Since I get benefit from others, I can give some.
Yeah.
I can give some return to them. What I'm going to do next? Check our list. Face ID sign-in, background, image and slash screen, notification bubble on avatar. We're going to do this. So we check on this too. Okay, I zoom it too quick.
This avatar of Jan Erik. Is Jan Erik still in the chat?
Cool.
So you need to add the pop-up of the icon for just to say that he received notifications.
Just write on the number on it.
A bubble. Okay.
Yeah. Too big.
It's not 20?
Not 20.
Ay, ay, ay.
For here, not 20.
Ay, ay, ay.
You feel OCD too?
No, I feel for you. I know that if you don't
I
use
don't
20, you feel bad.
I don't feel it for now. Thank you, but anyway.
Christian says, Cathy, you have such a nice job on the hands. Yeah, she has an awesome portfolio.
Thank you.
And this is how the team discovered Catherine, actually. Because she created and published an awesome portfolio, and this is how she got noticed by the team.
Right. Also, somebody mentioned that I should sing today with a French song.
Yeah, you have to sing a French song today.
Yes.
That's your new daily challenge.
Mm-hmm. I practice.
You practice something?
Yes.
Okay. We do that at the end of the show. Okay? It will be the surprise. Okay?
Yes. It would really become a
meme, a classic.
I don't think. Okay, I don't think it's a good way for people to remember me, because that would. I hope people remember my work and in that way, but not by my song. Okay, I'll change it to 3. This could be better. Oh, better alignment. Okay, see how it goes? Cool. Okay. What's next?
Okay, check.
Profile page. I'm coming.
Hey Ryan, good to see you in the chat.
Oh.
It's your birthday, Ryan?
Oh.
No. Oh, it's your birthday today. Wow, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Awesome.
How to say happy birthday in French?
In French, joyeux anniversaire.
Oh, it's too long.
Yeah, it's
Slowly,
very long.
Slowly.
And joyeux
Joyeux
anniversaire.
anniversaire.
Yeah, joyeux anniversaire.
Oh,
and in
cool.
Chinese,
Okay.
how is it?
生日快乐.
Say it again.
生日快乐.
生日快乐.
Yeah.
生日快乐, Ryan. You're getting old? Yeah.
No.
I feel for you. So no, yeah, you are adding the text to explain in which screen we are. Yeah, I remember this. So before that, you just had the 3 dots, but you think that adding text would be...
Yes, yes. I think text would be more intuitive.
Okay.
Okay. No. Okay, that's fine. Oh, no.
And quick reminder, so we invited you to design and share experiences for a smartwatch today. So we're still receiving some entries. You still have about 35 minutes to enter the contest. All the rules are in the contest tab next to the chat tab. I will just show you some entries just to, if you can get inspired. Okay, it's a music festival.
Wow.
Nick Minaj will sing in 20 minutes. Well, it gives me 20 minutes to leave the festival. It's perfect. To run away. Today's lineup. Okay. Very good job. We have another one here. Weather in San Francisco. Very nice iconography. Oh. Look at that. Okay, that's good. We'll review everything again with Catherine at the end. Oh. Ah, it's a security cam.
Take action.
Oh, that's a good use case.
Yeah.
Take action. Unleash the dogs. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay, so we review all your entries. You still have time. You still have 35 minutes to submit your entries. Check the contest tab. There is a template in an Adobe XD project that you can download and start from there. Oh my God, now they start sharing pictures of me 1 year ago when I was young.
Oh.
Yeah.
You are young now.
Oh, no.
Yay.
Oh my God. I was expecting my team to be more supportive, but you know, they are the worst. They are the worst. Okay, I need to control what they shared. You know, they scare me.
Can we sing this? What's that? Can we check that on YouTube?
Ah, you shared a picture of Rufus. Ah, okay. I get it. Can we sing this? I'm not sure about this song actually. Not sure. Yeah, no, it's not a big, it's not a huge hit. No, sorry. And Catherine, she practiced something, so it will be a surprise. I don't know which song she picked, so we will see.
Yeah, it would be a secret until the last.
Okay, so you have 3 categories: the playlist, the description, and review.
I'd like to have one highlighted.
Yes, so what is the best way?
Break the grid.
Break the grid, yes. Just select one item.
Mm-hmm.
So what can you do? You can change the color, or what do you want to do? Ah, to make it pop with green.
Oh, maybe. No. Okay. I can't find my edge. So in total, it should be 300 width. No. Let's see.
What do you mean? Oh, each item?
It should be 270.
270?
Mm-hmm. I just want to make sure it's... Because if you go really too much extension on the right, then it will not be centered.
Yeah, because you start seeing the next item. Oh,
yes.
Okay. I see what you mean.
Because I just want to calculate.
It makes sense.
Okay. Gonna change this maybe the text.
Yes, that's the playlist of the Adobe Live album in this case. So let's say that Meredith, in this case, she recorded several tracks.
Yes.
So if you missed the last episode, the recording experience, this is something that you did on day one actually. Yeah?
Yes.
On Tuesday in the first episode.
Yes.
And yesterday she designed this part. But we took the option of only having 3 dots to move from one screen to another one. You know, screen like swiping to the right and to the left. But here, I agree that it's easier to understand what is on.
Right, this is better.
Okay, so the playlist, description, and review.
Is it grouped?
Matthews is asking you, how long have you been doing this design?
You mean
design? Your job.
Like.
When did you start?
3 years. I started in 2014.
2014. Okay.
The year I graduated from grad school. I learned information management, and that's we have some basic course for web design. Some of them are design, and some of them are coding with HTML and the JavaScript.
Okay.
Yeah, and I found this is really what I'm looking for. So I start practicing more on design branch.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I tried coding, but I'm sorry, I just can't. I'm sorry for my teacher.
Maybe it was just a bad teacher.
Yeah. So
but you're a very good designer, so.
Thank you.
So Matthew, the streams. So next year, next week, sorry. So we will be live with editorial designers. Okay, so we have 4 designers. They will come and they will share a completely different creative process with designing books, designing magazines, brochures, having print in mind as an application. And they will mainly use InDesign. So InDesign will really be at the heart of everything they will be doing. Even Marcel, who will work on the annual report. So what do you do when you have a lot of data and you need to present the data and print it in a way that it's easy to read and also engaging and represent the value of a company. So this will be next week. And then during the Christmas break, we will have replays of the best of what happened on Adobe Live. And we will be back the second week of January with vector artists, so illustrators working in Illustrator. In January also we will have a special live stream about lettering with 4 lettering artists and UX design. So yeah, we will be back next year. I don't remember who was asking about 2018, but yeah, Matthew, yeah, we will be back. Osvaldo has a question for you. The icon folder you used yesterday, part of your style guide for Vox, or is it just a database? Oh yeah.
No, I created myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you can show it again. So
yes.
This is a set of icons that you design.
Yes. So these icons are basically done with Sketch, because I use Sketch most of the time in my office and I don't have XD on my office computer. But I really want to pick up the tiny split time when I'm tired or something. So I just use Sketch to create these icons.
Awesome.
I mean, when you just can't go with your projects at work, you can always do these little fun projects for yourself.
Yeah.
These are white.
You can even have them in a Creative Cloud library.
Yay.
Yeah. Each item and.
Oh, how can I add them into?
You would do it from Photoshop.
Oh, okay. Import them in Photoshop and.
Photoshop, you drag and drop.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Or even in the web, I guess it would work. If you visit adobe.com, you open a library, and you can upload the assets.
I see. Okay. I'll do it there.
Kevin, you're looking forward the vector shows? Yeah, it should be cool. Matthews, you have a second question for Catherine. Is font size? What is the minimum to see on mobile apps? Do you have any recommendation about the font size, for a mobile device?
If you're looking for a specific device, then go to the official website of that device and you find the official size of that screen. And you go with 1x or 2x or 3x, just to make sure when you test on the specific device, and you can have a good proportion of what you did. And I would say, if you create it with not XD, Sketch or Photoshop, for example, the file, if you go like 4 times of the original size of the device, then the file will be very large when you're doing the work. And if you just go 1x with the size, then it will be kind of blurry on your device when you test. So just it depends on what you are doing case by case. Yeah,
but it's a good point. Like each platform, Android, iOS, they have guides for designers, so they will cover that. Also, if we switch to my screen, you can select, by the way, anything in XD. So let's say I select this and I want to convert it as an icon and send it to a designer or a developer. So you do Command E or Control E on Windows to export it. So by default, you can have a PNG, SVG, PDF or JPEG. So let's say PNG. And if you say I want to export for iOS, then automatically it will generate what you set, you know.
Yes.
It's by 1, 2, and 3. Android, it will do 75%, 100. So this is part of the, because on Android there are so many devices and so many technologies of screens that actually you need to export all your assets in all these dimensions. But XD will do the work for you. So it will automatically generate all the sizes in the same folder, and it will name the files based on the what the developer is waiting for.
Actually, I'm not sure if it is still behave like that. When I export, I select. Like for example, I want to export this one, and I select iOS.
Yes.
And 3x. I'm not sure what did I select. Let's say this one.
Oh, the entire artboard. Okay.
Yes. And I want to export it with 3x. And it go with.
So it's on the desktop.
Go with all three, like 1, 2, and 3.
And 3.
Oh, cool. Okay. But what if I just select 2x? It will go with just 2, 1 or 2. Let me try. Let's say 2. Export.
Yeah, it will do it on the same folder.
Okay.
Okay, so I can.
Oh no, it's.
I can tell you what it does. Can you go back to the menu? I will tell you what it does. Here. So here, when you select iOS, it will export 1x, 2x, 3x.
Oh.
But you have to tell XD, I was designing at 1x, 2x, or 3x.
This is not for export.
No, this is for export, but you have to tell XD.
Oh, okay.
What is your reference?
Okay, okay. Oh, okay. I see it.
You see, because let's say you design for the iPhone and the dimensions is 320 by 640. I could design not in 320, but in 640 directly. Or I could design in 960 pixels. But I have to tell the tool, XD.
I think it's explained what I did before. I select 3x, but
and then it became very small.
The export is really blurry.
And very small.
Yeah, and very small. Yeah. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, my tabs are here. See how it goes.
Nice. Yeah, it would be very. Yeah, we can try to prototype it just to see how it goes.
I think I did it yesterday. Okay, cool.
Oh, nice. Okay.
I'll start with this page and.
Oh yeah, it should work. Okay.
And try. No. What?
Oh, you click anywhere and it moves there. Yeah. So you can be more precise, but.
Yeah, I can change it later, but I think I need to finish my profile page.
The design first?
You know what? We can go with prototype first.
Okay. So you switch to the prototype workspace. So this is where you add interactions and say, if I tap here, I want to jump to this screen. Also, you see the blue icon that, you notice here. This blue icon is the welcome screen. If you want another artboard to become the welcome screen, you just select the artboard. You can select another one just to show them. Yeah, just click on this here. And you have to,
Oh, this is the start.
And now it's the welcomes.
Okay,
Okay. Now this is the start screen.
Okay, cool. Nice. So in this case, I think I will set this as my welcome page.
Exactly.
Yes. So I click this, it will just dissolve. And maybe sign in.
And let's do a random giveaway. Someone in the chat who could potentially win. This is the last time we will give away the XD socks. We give away these ones actually. They were live with us. We all touched them. I saw that Tom also, he played with them. Paul also. Paul, I think you slept. Yeah, you were cold last night, so you slept with these ones. Yeah. So you have a lot of smell, a lot of energy in these socks. So good luck. Just stay active in the chat. You can sign in. If it's not the case, if you are just watching, make sure to sign in and just say hi to get a chance to win these socks. How it works is that we just send you a private message on Behance. Okay, if you are selected, and we just ask for your address, and you will receive the XD socks. And usually we add also some other goodies. I mean, you will. So yeah, we give you 2-3 minutes. Be active in the chat, and we will announce the lucky winner.
Cool. How can I delete the action?
What do you want to do? Okay, so
I want to
select
delete
the end.
Okay.
And here, it's it.
Oh, okay. Okay. I want this go here. And I want this one go to the detail page.
Oh, okay.
Slide left. Oh, I forgot to set up this one.
Yeah, you can set up after. There's no problem.
Slide. Have to maybe. I don't know. Okay. So this one goes. Oh, okay. I doubled it.
It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this won't have any interaction with it. And this one.
Okay, we already have a winner of the XD socks, the last winner of the week for the socks, and this is Joshua Merrill. Congratulations, Joshua. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being active in the chat.
Congrats.
Let's all congratulate Joshua. Joshua, make sure to check your private messages on Behance in the coming hours and coming days. And we will do one more giveaway at the end of the show. Make sure to share your prototype, enter the contest. You still have 18 minutes to submit your entry. The theme of the day is smart watch. I want you to design an experience for a watch. Joshua, you didn't expect that, yeah? Good job. Where are you from, Joshua? Let us know where you're from, what you do. If it's cold in your region. Looks good, huh?
Oh, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
I almost can tell left and right when I'm setting this up. Because... Okay, cool.
No, it works, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And all these play button goes to the play. I'd like it go up. Go up. Okay.
And do we have a USB cable? I want to try the live preview. I just make sure that XD is updated on my phone. Apparently it is. Thanks.
Why keep asking me?
Yeah, sorry, it's the cable.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. I see.
Okay, no, I think this cable is a little bit tired.
Okay.
Matthew, you can enter the contest if you already won CC this year. We just win something else. We will find another prize for you. But yeah, feel free to enter. Thanks. Okay, we try another cable. Go. Do we still have a GoPro? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, just wanted to show you that you can also use the XD app, Adobe XD, and just connect it with USB. And as she's designing, you will see. So if you design something,
okay.
Like move the logo, for instance. So in real time, you can preview the design. Okay, and if I tap, also I should be able to interact, you know. So it's a good way also to see, like someone was talking about, what is the right size of the typeface. Well, I can, here, I can judge. So I don't have the iPhone X, so that's why the resolution is not perfect. Mm-hmm. But it's a very good way to directly test and see if the text is big enough or if I need to increase the size of a button. Cool. Using Live Preview. So it's a free app. You can download it now, and it's the same name, okay? Adobe XD.
Cool. Okay. Back button.
Michael is asking, is there a library already of icons in the software? You can import styles, textures in XD yet? Okay, so what you get in Adobe XD are, if you do in File, you can open UI kits. So UI kits are more than icon actually. It's really all the basic visual assets of an iOS app, of an Android app, of a Windows 10 app. Or we also released a UI kit called wireframes. So you have all the basic elements to express what is a slider on a website, footer navigation. So you will get everything. Then I really encourage you, and this is I know something that is not a reflex, but to search for UI kits on Google, because inside the apps I would say that we list the official ones, but a lot of designers create and share UI kits for Adobe XD. If you, let me see something. Yeah, so this one, for instance, Apple Watch 42mm, has been created by someone in the community and shared for free. And this is how I created the template for the contest today.
Cool.
But it gives you, the basic structure to replace, like this is for the Apple Watch, so you can replace all the icons with the apps, all these elements. You have symbols. So yeah, don't hesitate to search on the web. You will find a lot of resources already.
Nice. Okay, I'll test my prototype for now.
Sorry, Kevin, I was not ignoring you. Sorry if I missed your question.
Sign in and go description, reviews.
So Jackson, we will do a live stream actually on Vector Art the second week of January, if you come back on Behance. We will have Vector artists working in Illustrator, creating icons, avatars, illustrations.
Cool. Got
Yeah,
all
that's
my
good.
stuff.
Nice.
Yay. What I'm going to do now is maybe work on my profile page. Yeah. Add some avatar.
We had some avatar from yesterday, you remember?
Yeah, I'm going to get it.
We took some pictures from the chat.
Here.
Here.
Today I'm going to put this. I don't know.
Is it Juan?
Juani.
Juani.
Juani. Okay. I'll put
Juani,
yours.
he was watching yesterday.
Yeah. Okay. I'll put his.
So Joris is asking, do you think it's possible? It will be possible to export in CSS from XD and work in Dreamweaver. I think so. Yeah. It's very tricky, but okay. So who was asking? Joris. Okay, we try to show you something we're working on. I need to find a good project first. Okay, so if we take this app, see that has multiple screens and interactions. You can either publish this prototype, so we will see what it does. Come on. Publish the prototype, and you can, so it will create a web experience, so you can allow comments. I will explain what this is. Open it for screen and show the hotspot hints. So now you can hide them. It's a new feature. So create a link. So this is more for review, really to share your work and start getting feedback. Okay, so this is the web experience where if I don't know where to click next, then you click anywhere and you have the hints here. You need to go back to the home page, etc. Then you can open the comments menu and say change the copy, and you can pin your comment and say here. And someone can come and reply and say I agree. We should say profile. And really start a conversation around your prototype. So the good news is that if you change your design, so let's say this symbol or this color, I will edit the color and pick something green. You just have to publish the prototype and say update the link, and it will update all the screens, the new ones, but it's the same URL. Okay, so you keep collaborating on the same website. So now if I update the same link, here we go, everything is green, you see? So that's the first way to share. But then we're working on something new, which is for developers, and it's more directly linked to what you were expressing, like can I export CSS? So it's called the design specs for the handoff process. And this is for iOS, create a public link. So we will see where it goes. But basically the goal is to give information to the one who will develop or design the final app for production. So let me open the link. Here you recognize all the artboards and you see the interaction. So this is in a web browser, okay? Just a URL that you can share and send by email to someone who doesn't have XD. They don't have to be XD users. And if I click on screen, then I can get some information about you see the dimension, but also the margins. So if I want to know the space between these two buttons, I select the first button and I roll over the other one and I see that I have 10 pixels and not 20, but 10 is okay for Catherine.
Okay.
It's okay. Also, if I click on some text, it will tell me this is the typeface, this is the size, this is the color. And if you just click outside the artboards, you have all the colors present in the artboard. And if I roll over, it will show me all the components using this color. Same for the text. Okay, so this one, I see if we zoom in. So, okay, look at this one. It will show me where the typeface is used. So we can imagine that with all this information, maybe at some point the design specs, and if this is something that you need, can export CSS information, or you can copy-paste CSS information, such as the website you were showing with the gradients. You know. So design specs, this is in beta. We will add new features. We already added some features actually this week. I don't know if you noticed at the bottom there were some indications like tips and tricks or hints to use the app. So this is something that we're adding to the web experience, and you will see more and more features. But I feel that this is where we should do the export CSS. But you can disagree, and we can have the conversation on User Voice. So User Voice is a website where we directly discuss these features with the Adobe XD team on adobexd.uservoice.com. Okay.
Cool.
Why are you working on Catherine now?
Working on the profile page.
Profile page. Oh, okay.
Yes. And trying to make a bar chart to show her activity for this week, for example.
Sorry.
Bless you.
Thank you. And we have 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes left to submit your entries. We already received some very good entries. We have 12 so far. It will be hard to choose.
12.
12, yeah. And we will review these entries with Catherine probably in 15 minutes.
Okay.
So we have time to, we'll take the time to review the entries.
Okay, yeah.
And someone shared directly a link to the XD file. I think it's Sandeep. So Sandeep, I won't be able to open it. So Sandeep, open your XD project and click on Share Publish Prototype. Okay, it's in the top right corner. And this is the link that we need. Okay, so just it will take 1 minute. So, and submit the link again, please. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
How to track the activity.
For this week.
Looks great.
Yeah. I'm thinking also you can view it like the month view, year view, or a daily view. Okay.
Okay, so week.
I'm going to put a
What do you want to put
a
here?
little icon.
Ah, an
here.
icon. Okay.
So I place a placeholder for now. Maybe too big. Okay. Cool.
Nice. Yeah, what do you think of the app in the chat? Let us know. I think it looks great.
Thank you. Also, if you have some tricks and tips like like the website I just shared, you can also share it in the chat.
Yeah, it's a good point. If you are using websites,
some
to get inspired,
or some good resource books, websites, please feel free to share.
Okay, we're still receiving some entries.
Oh yeah.
It's coming. Time is almost done. I give you 1 minute if you want to share the link. Hurry up. Just making sure they all work. I think they do. And Sandeep, yeah, thanks for sharing again. Good job. Using the publish. Okay. Give you 30 seconds, but I think we have all the entries. So we'll be able to review them in about 5 minutes.
Cool.
Okay, so about your design, it's good and clean. It looks great. It's awesome. Cool.
Thank you.
Very clean.
Yay.
Okay, and I think we got all our entries. So thanks again for sharing. This is awesome.
Yeah.
And next week we will be with editorial designers, so the challenge will be in InDesign.
Oh.
The contest, yeah.
Cool.
It will be very different. Divider. So again, these are icons that Catherine designed.
Yeah.
And Catherine, I think you're the first guest using the Wacom tablet with XD.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I would say it's just I just got used to it. But with when I'm working at home, I always use a trackpad.
Ah, the trackpad, yeah.
Yeah, I just got used to Wacom because I work it at work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Andre says, Andre, you prefer how XD handles the colors, shadows, and UI elements in comparison to Illustrator and Photoshop. In XD, everything is more soft and easier to do. Yeah, it's true. I mean, with XD, the team had the opportunity to rethink the UI from scratch. And actually, every time they make a decision, they really challenge themselves, and they don't just copy paste what comes from Photoshop or Illustrator. We had a huge debate with the community when we released XD because there was no layers panel. So you would have to play with the shortcut keys to place behind or place in front. But then they absolutely wanted layers. This is the feature that had the highest number of votes. So they decided to add layers, but not to do like in Photoshop, that would display all the layers of the entire document, but to create contextual layer. So the layers panel will only display the layers of the artboard you are working on, and not the entire document. Otherwise, it would be too much. And also, you see all the icons that they created in the layers panel. Like they really created a brand new experience.
Cool.
So yeah, it's good. XD is very refreshing. Okay, Catherine, you want to review some entries?
Yes.
Because we have about 12 entries to, even more, like 14 to review.
Oh, cool.
Okay?
Yes.
So, again, the theme was smart watch. Okay, so it could be anything. So here it's for the Apple Watch, and I guess this is the the screen of the Apple Watch, and I select this app. It deals with music. My dreams. I can come back, maybe. Okay. So a music player, yeah, very clean. Switch from one music to another one. Yeah, very clean, very straight to the point. I mean, again, it's an experience for a watch, so you cannot be too crazy when it comes to placing information. Okay, so what is this app? On this day, you've arrived to Bratislava. Okay. Hello. You've walked, 1 to 2 kilometers.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
So
it's
this kind of
tracking. Yeah, your activity. Your activity. Yeah, that's nice. Very easy. Okay, this one.
Is a rounded watch.
You can use voice activation. Welcome, Tyrone. 2 new text, 1 missed call. Okay. Cool. These are all the apps. You have the settings, the pictures. You can call someone. Oh, yeah, it's a full operating system, huh? Tyrone. Message. Behance is live. Don't forget to be live.
Kevin said, I think your tip for putting a box behind with no color and no line was a good idea for no missing clicking on selections. Yeah, that's my trick for just keep spacing. It's a good trick. Yeah.
Good job, Tyrone. So we have another one. Shashank. Okay, so tell me what you want. Oh, very nice gradients. Beautiful. I want pizza. Okay, here are the pizza. 12 pizza places around you. Wow, you're lucky. I want to go there. Mission Street. Oh, it's in San Francisco. Here we go. I have my pizza.
Cool.
Good job. This one, so it's on Behance. Oh, you see what they did? They shared so with the XD, you can export the prototype, but you can embed the prototype on Behance.
And you can interact on Behance.
Yeah. Here it's in a Behance project. You see?
I see. So put the link.
So I will show you how to do it. Okay. So here you do publish the prototype. So you put it on the web, and you can say copy embed code.
Okay.
And this is what you can paste on Behance.
Okay, got it. This is smart.
Yeah. Is it time to sleep? Oh, it's a beautiful watch. There is the weather too. Activity. Oh, yeah. Again, a lot of screens.
Yeah.
Who do you want to call? What's happening here? That guy? Okay. Music.
Oh, nice. This kind of scrolling thing.
Yeah, again, a full operating system. Good job. Okay, we have another one by Sean, I think. Nice design. Okay, first step for oxygen. Wow, it's scary. Oh, and it shows. Oh, here it's very interesting because it shows the different interactions. Also with the tangible buttons, what it would do. How many steps? And I can call. And you can call Tim, who was live with us.
Yeah.
Very good job.
Nice.
Another app called Enjoy. Don't have any task. Okay, so you can add a task. Oh, it's a task manager.
To-do list.
Yes. Enter new task. Watch. Oh, that's nice. Add the task. Here we go. Oh, that's also very, very clean. Yeah, good job.
Nice.
This one is iMedic. Catherine, what can I do for you today? You want to a doctor appointment with Dr. Phil? We can do that.
I would say on an iPhone screen, you might want to enlarge the font size.
And on a watch,
on
a watch it could be tough.
It's really, really small.
Yeah, a lot of screens too. Syncing to phone, yeah. Good job.
Nice.
Joris, okay, what did you do, Joris? Uly's heart control. Ooh.
Nice.
It's a big watch. It's time to meditate. I think we saw this one now in the previous one.
Yeah.
It was very popular. Yeah, it's an update.
The color palette is really impressive.
Yeah, look at this illustration in the back. Wow.
Nice. The only thing I would say is the font size and color, font color.
Yeah, like here.
Maybe create
on a watch.
A higher contrast.
Or maybe it's a very, very big watch.
Yeah, very, very big watch.
But the color theme, yeah, very good job. Typography, it's beautiful. Nicole Anderson. Okay, where can I click? Oh, Behance app. Whoa! Yay! This is Nicole's profile. Actually, it's a good question. Do we have a? I think is there a Behance app on the Apple Watch? I think so. There's a Creative Cloud app for sure. Pinpoint. Okay, phone. Locating the phone. Where is my phone? Oh, it's just 5 steps away. Oh, I found it. If you lose your phone. Where is my watch? It's on my wrist. Good job, Nicole. It's funny. Then music streaming app. Move.
I like the logo.
Yeah, logo is very nice. Okay, sign-in experience.
Oh,
I can scroll. Wow, that's a very cool waveform here with the gradients. Can like it. Pose. Wow, you manage a lot of states. Must be a lot of screens. Yeah, 15 screens to manage all the states.
Nice.
Very nice. Okay. Oh yeah. This
alert.
one is the alert. Oh, someone is there. Oh my god! Take action. Unleash the dogs. That's good. Mateus. Okay, so what was it? Oh yeah, a beautiful watch. Music. So this stream is not sponsored by Imagine Dragons, but every time you take Imagine Dragons as an example. Not sure why. Heart rate. Calendar. Adobe Live. Romantic dinner and a party. Well, sounds like a nice day. A full day. Someone is calling you.
A phone call.
Decline. And the weather.
This is okay.
It's good, huh?
This is good.
Yeah, very good.
A lot of screens.
And Armando. Yeah, it was a festival with Nicki Minaj. So let me try to go back to remind me. Maybe I can try to refresh this one.
Yes.
I will remove the full screen parameter. Okay, just to make sure I'm on the home screen. Here we go. Welcome to the Tune Music Festival. This watch is your VIP pass. Ah, okay. Press and find the name of the song. It's like Shazam. Who's singing today? Geolocation. Okay.
Cool. And Tyrone said I didn't impressed by his. Oh,
And Joris said I missed the music button on the home. Okay. Ready?
Okay. Can you show me Tyrone's?
Yeah, we look for Tyrone's. Ah, yeah, music. One of my favorite songs. Thanks. So Tyrone, which one was it? I think it was this one, no? Tyrone, I don't remember. I think it was this one, I'm not sure. Why do I think it's this one? Can you remind me, Tyrone, which one this was?
Yeah.
Okay, I will do a quick something I'm not supposed to do. It's okay. Here. Alright, it was this one. So what did he say? What did we miss?
He said I was not impressed by it.
You were not impressed by it? It's okay. Huh? You don't have to be impressed by everything.
I am.
13 screens. We respect.
13 screens, yeah.
Respect the work.
And see the typeface? Nice. I like the map screen.
Yeah. The map component, where it is. Yeah, here.
Yeah, that one. Yes.
I think he used the wireframe UI kit. UI kit name wireframe. There is a map. I think it's this one.
Cool.
Okay, so it's time to choose.
Oh.
What time is it? Yeah, it's time to choose.
Oh.
It's tough today.
Do I have to do this?
Yeah. Between the music app here, this one for the activity. We had Tyrone with all the screens. We have, tell me what you really want, the pizza. We had this one embedded on Behance. We had this one with the interaction on the side, save a memo, record a memo. That's the... and you can call a team.
Yeah.
We had this one, which is a to-do list.
Yes.
This one for your health. This one with a big watch and beautiful gradients. This one, when you lose objects. The music app. The security app. This one was a full operating system, with several apps. And this one is a VIP pass when you go to a concert.
Oh, these are really good.
It's not easy, huh?
No, I feel pressure.
Okay, if you have to choose one. I know it's not easy, but...
I think the alert one. The alert.
You like this one?
Yes. Because actually it can work on my watch. I think I can read the text and actually sometimes it will help me.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there is a sense of emergency also, so you can imagine that it can vibrate or...
Because the reason I chose this is all of you did really, really impressive job. So I have to put a criteria to all of you, which is with the right type typeface.
Okay, the
Yes.
readability in this
Yes,
case.
the readability and the legibility.
Okay, yeah, that's
Yes, so that's
that's
what
a very
actually
important
says,
criteria.
yes.
Okay, awesome! Congratulations to the author of this prototype that has been shared at the beginning of the stream, and congratulations to all of you because you are very inspired today by the smartwatch. And this week it's true that we wanted to change you a little bit. So if we can go back to our screen, we wanted to challenge you a little bit with different, experiences, because usually we design apps for mobile devices or websites, but this week they had to design for a smart fridge, for a car, and a watch.
Yes.
And they did a very good job.
Really, really good job.
Okay, Catherine, we have about 3 minutes left.
Okay, do I need to sing?
Oh yeah, you need to sing.
And what's left?
You need to sing.
No. Let's do other thing first.
I know we won't have time. Huh?
Okay.
You have to sing now.
Okay, I get something here. Is
Ah,
it
okay.
lyrics?
I know this song.
You know this song?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know.
It's a good one.
You know.
So yesterday, we challenged Catherine and asked her to sing a French song as a daily challenge. So we will see how it goes.
Okay. It might be terrible, so just turn down your volume, please. Okay, I'll begin.
Okay.
Aux Champs-Élysées, aux Champs-Élysées, au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tous ces couplets aux Champs-Élysées. Thank you.
It was actually very good.
How's my French?
It was good. Very good job. And you didn't pick the easiest melody, so
Yeah.
good job. Because this
Okay.
is not a song for kids. It's,
Yeah.
This one is a real song.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, yeah, claps. Oh, nice. Yeah,
Thank you, guys.
good job. And thanks for also the great design this week and sharing your
Yeah.
knowledge approach with typography, contrast, colors, how you lay out information. It was really awesome to see you at work live in Adobe XD. And it was the first time you were really using Adobe XD, and you became a pro user. Really, a very good job. Thanks everyone also for watching this week. So we will be back next week with editorial designers on Tuesday. In the meantime, you can enjoy all the replays, and hopefully maybe Catherine, you can publish a Behance project about this app to share
about
your
this app
experience.
after I finish all these.
Yeah, and we'll be happy to feature it on the Adobe Live page because it's a beautiful app. Yeah, we did really a very good job.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thanks everyone, and see you soon for a new Adobe Live show next week on behance.net/live. Bye everyone.
Bye.